Welcome to Veer Electronics Private Limited. Today, we are going to explain mode setting of Veer Make Precision Power Analyzer Model 60080. Press Mode key to enter in setting. After press Mode key, you can see Test Mode of Power Analyzer. Here you can set phase-to-phase mode, 4-wire mode, 3-wire mode and single-phase mode. To change mode, press up or down arrow key. Once mode is set, then press enter button to save mode. Now, after press enter key or press mode key 2 times, set average sample page displays. Here, you can set average sample up to 10. Average sample is used for accurate value of measurement. Now, press mode button again and set LED parameter page display. Here you can set any parameter of power analyzer measurement. It will display on 7-segment LED during operation of power analyzer. Now, press mode key, set speed page display on LCD screen. Here, you can set slow, medium and fast speed of power analyzer data update. Data update rate is 1 second in slow speed, 0.5 second in medium speed, and 0.25 second in fast speed measurement. Now after press mode button again, to default setting page display, it will restore initial setting of power analyzer. Now, press mode button again, it will jump to first page, set test mode. Press escape key to exit from mode setting and default page display. By this way you can set mode of power analyzer. Now, let's check rear view of power analyzer. This is single phase AC power supply. This is input fuse protection against overcurrent. This is RS-to-3 to port for communication with computer with freeware software. This is earth terminal. Always connect earthing to earth terminal during working of power analyzer. This is interconnected neutral terminal for test job voltage measurement. This is R/Y/B voltage terminal of output test voltage. This is 3 input current channel with binding post copper stud. This is output current channel for R/Y/B phase. This is interconnected link for direct voltage measurement. Power analyzer is used to perform open circuit and short circuit test of transformer. It is also used to measure electrical parameter and performance test of various electrical equipment like motor, pump, LED, etc. Now, start test after make connection.